I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Simply Calphalon omelet pan. So this is an omelet pan. It has a hard anodized coating on it. This is non-stick. It's from Calphalon. One thing I really like is that it has this silicone grip on the handle, so that kind of protects your hand if you're picking this up if it gets hot on the stove. Other great things with this is that it is oven safe, so you can put it in an oven up to 400 degrees. I would use gloves, obviously, when you take it out, but it's really great, just super solid frying pan. I'm going to show you how you can use it, and the non-stick surface is actually good enough that you can use limited oil or even no oil at all when you're cooking something like an egg. So let's go ahead and switch this on the burner underneath here, and we'll heat this up. Let's get it up to temperature. Okay, so we got it nicely heated up. You can see I'm going to take an egg now. I'm not going to put any oil on the pan here. I'm just going to crack this egg and try to do this one-handed. Put that in. And I'm going to go ahead and grab my Calphalon spatula over here. Let me pause for a moment, wash my hands. Okay, so the egg is just cooking right on that surface. And I'm going to take my Calphalon spatula. When I'm ready, I'm just going to kind of lift up the edges a little bit, make sure it's not sticking. Looks like it's working pretty well. Not going to be quite over easy because the yolk did shatter. Hard to do that one-handed, but still I think will be a delicious fried egg. So let's give that a moment to cook. Okay, so that's looking nicely cooked. I can move this around a little bit, loosen it. You can see it just slides on that non-stick coating. And then let's see how this goes. I'm going to try to do a little flip here. See how we can do this correctly. Yep, great. Okay. So that's splattered a little bit because I did that pretty high, but you can see it's not sticking to that surface at all. Let's just go ahead and let that cook a little bit more. All right, so that is a good, maybe over medium egg, the way I like it. I'm going to go ahead and just slide it right out onto a plate here. And again, no oil in that pan at all, and the egg did not stick. We've got a nice, well-cooked egg over here. Try this out. Let's see. Yeah, kind of a nice over medium type of doneness there. If you did it two-handed, you could probably get a perfect over easy. Delicious. Now the best part, you can see here's the pan itself. Let's just take this over to the sink. I'm just going to put a little water on this. Just a little water, add a little bit of soap. You can see, honestly, without even doing any scrubbing on this, I can basically get all of that residue off of the pan. So here it is, and there we go, ready to keep cooking with this. Again, didn't even have to use a sponge in that case to clean it off. And that's the power of that non-stick coating from Calphalon. Again, no oils, still yields a really delicious fried egg. And cleanup, as you could see, was super easy. I'd probably just wipe that down with a paper towel to dry it, and we are good to go. That is my Calphalon pan.